Bend Homes Custom Painting, professional painting services to the greater Bend, Oregon area.
Hey everyone, this is Paul Tkachenko, owner of Bend Homes Custom Painting, back with some professional painting tips. Today I'm going to show you how to clean paint off the hinges and weather stripping here. So we're going to need a couple things. We're going to use industrial strength paint remover, Goof Off. And I got some thick gloves here, 9mm. I'm going to put those on. And I also got a couple clean rags. Definitely need clean rags. So we're gonna take our clean rag and drench it, soak it in some Goof Off. Apply Goof Off on the hinge generously. As you can see, it's working really well already. The reason we use Goof Off is because it really takes the paint off quickly. You don't want to use it on something that's previously been painted or has some kind of a lacquer finish or polyurethane, because it can scar the finish and we don't want that. So as you can see, paint comes right off with the Goof Off, and you really want to use some gloves, because this stuff will get on your skin and travel through your system, and it's really toxic material, so you don't want to do that. And we're going to use a 5-in-1 here to get in the tighter spots to get that paint out of there. And you want to kind of move your rag around, because you want the clean surface to be working the paint out of the cracks and crevices. The rag gets filled up with the paint pretty quick, so you want to keep moving it around. So right after the hinge, I'm moving on to the weather stripping here and working that paint off of the rubber piece here. Moving on down. I'm gonna need some more Goof Off. And there's that. I'm Paul Tkachenko, owner of Bend Homes Custom Painting. Good luck.
Bend Homes Custom Painting, professional painting services to the greater Bend, Oregon area.